if we put out our numbers, I will, sir. After the Satta Bazaar. But Tushar, thank you very much for joining us. And I'm not asking you the numbers just yet, because to our viewers, we want to throw up the Satta Bazaar numbers. And Padmaja and Madhav, let's get cracking, and numbers is what everybody wants. Let's look at what's coming up on our screens.
Let's start with the Falodi Satta Bazaar numbers, and the Falodi Satta Bazaar, which usually has been quite accurate when it comes even to cricket, bets, etc., right now is giving 270 to 300 to the BJP alone, and the Congress also is shown increasing on its current tally at 60 to 63. So it's belying what a lot of people are saying, that the Congress will go below its tally of last time. It's actually showing an increase of 11 seats over 2019 figures. That's as far as the Falodi Satta Bazaar is concerned. If we take a look, and we've taken a sample from across the country. After Falodi, let's talk about the 10 Satta Bazaars that we have sampled. Palanpur, what does Palanpur tell us? Let's quickly take a look at the Palanpur Satta Bazaar now, and the figures there are 247 to the NDA and 216, that's it, just 216 to the BJP Navika, 225 to INDI. So it's a close call, which is what Palanpur is saying. And Congress
is at 112 and India Alliance at 225. Now, this is going to give us some talking points. That's what Palanpur Satta Bazaar is doing for us. 112 to the Congress party. Black shirt aap de dijiye. Navy blue, I think Sanjay Jha is buying for you if you go by the Palanpur Satta Bazaar. Okay.
Men in blue are going to win.
Let's take the next number. I think Vijayawada Satta Bazaar coming up on the screen.
Yeah. So we have the Vijayawada Satta Bazaar. NDA is at 300 plus. BJP is at 270 to 290. INDI 240 to 60 to just the Congress. So they are being more conservative over here. But if we take a look at the cross section, let's quickly go through all of the numbers, and then we can analyze where the mean of all of these numbers is. So after Vijayawada, we are taking a look at the Hyderabad Satta Bazaar. In Hyderabad, the numbers are, and largely 300 plus again, and 270 to 290 to the BJP.
So Vijayawada, Hyderabad,
pretty much
geographically close, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and they are looking at numbers at 300 plus for the NDA, BJP 270 to 290, Congress again 40 to 60 and 200 plus to the India Alliance. And
largely, Navika, everyone is being conservative, staying in the vicinity of 300 to 310, with the BJP at 270 to 290. So nobody is actually taking that leap of faith and giving a char so par. None of the Satta Bazaar numbers so far have given a char so par or even close to the BJP so far.
So let's look at the Ahmedabad Satta Bazaar, because if Ahmedabad gives it to them, well, look at the numbers there, Padmaja.
Yeah, 300 to 303. So that is the closest which you have, pretty much the same figures as 2019. So Congress showing a mild increase, but BJP pretty much in the 2019 vicinity.
Well, absolutely. In fact, let's take a look at the next number that we're looking at. This is perhaps one of the higher numbers as far as Satta Bazaar is concerned, at 301 to 302. But there's also the Karnal Satta Bazaar, I believe, in our graphics. If you can quickly go to that as well. That number, of course, I believe, as far as Karnal is concerned, is at NDA 263, India 231. Now, this is something that is perhaps one of the closest in terms of numbers, because the BJP number here is at just 235 and Congress at 108. Perhaps the second such Satta Bazaar that is giving this kind of a trend, and certainly numbers that are extremely close. Of course, nowhere close to 400 number, but even far below the 300 number. And that is, of course, a huge, I mean, if these numbers are to believe, certainly, of course, very, very different from what we've seen projected by different political parties earlier.
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।